You might already have a basic understanding of what we do here at Arnold, but did you know that we are a global corporation? We make permanent magnets, components, magnetic assemblies, high-precision rotors, precision thin metals, flexible magnetic sheets and strips, bonded high-energy magnets, and electromagnets for a variety of applications. We ship to our customers on just about every continent through our 9 locations across the globe. Arnold operates in 6 facilities in the USA, 2 in Europe, and 1 in China. We supply our products and engineering expertise to a wide variety of industries. Earlier I mentioned aerospace and motorsports, but we also serve the medical field, oil and gas, industrial, and consumer electronics, alternative energy, and energy storage, and advertising. We are proud to be able to say that we make mission-critical components. Our products are on every commercial airplane in the world, radar and guidance systems, and various defense projects. Our products protect the environment. We produce major components for subsea safety valves that prevent oil spills and magnetic systems for mapping potential leaks and disasters. We help the pipeline industry detect issues before they occur, so repairs can be made before there is any harm to the environment. We are leading the technology curve for high-speed, power-dense applications, enabling advancements in electric and hybrid motors, both on the ground and in the air. To sum it up, we are very proud of the work we do here at Arnold Magnetic Technologies.